Hi guys, welcome back to Mind Paw Scents. I'm Yvonne, your independent Scentsy consultant. Today, we are going to be talking about transformation. We are going to go ahead and show you all how you could get our standard mini warmers and convert them into tabletop warmers. Did you know you could do that? You can. I'm going to show you how. So today we're going to be using our Fish in the Sea mini warmer. It is adorable, guys. Wait until you see this. And right now, everything on mindpawscents.com is 10% off through the month of August, because you know we got to make room for all those fall and winter goodies that are coming. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and unpack. Now, all our mini warmers come with your standard wall plug, and it comes with the bulb. So while you think you could just use your mini warmer to go ahead and plug it into the wall, I bet you didn't know that if you get a tabletop adapter, which looks like this, you could turn your mini warmer into a tabletop warmer. So we're going to grab our warmer. Here's our Fish in the Sea little mini warmer. Like I said, again, it's 10% off right now. Isn't it adorable? Okay, so usually you just grab your mini warmer, you put it on its adapter, and then you plug it into the wall. But if you get that same mini warmer, you get yourself an adapter. They're sold individually, separately. You get yourself, we have them for the ceramic mini warmers as well as the glass ones. So you got to get the right one. Make sure you're getting that. The glass ones, as you can see, are going to be screw-ons, while the ceramic ones have these little prongs. So you get your mini warmer, put it on the adapter, which all our mini adapters do come with a spare bulb. So you go ahead, you put it on the tabletop, plug it in like you would just your regular warmer, and then now you have yourself a tabletop. And you see it does come with the plug, just like our standard full-size warmers do. And it now turns into a tabletop warmer. This is so perfect for small spaces like a cubicle, your office, your bathroom, your vanity. I mean, it works great. And honestly, it opens up the possibility for more options. If you're liking one of our designs, but they're too big, you can find a lot of our designs. Some of them do come standard or mini, and then you could just get yourself the adapter and you turn it into a tabletop warmer. Isn't that great? So yeah, we do have them in ceramic and glass. Again, everything is 10% off right now on our website, so you don't want to miss it. And I'm hoping that this gives you guys more information upon our mini warmers, and it doesn't leave you exclusively to knowing that you could use them only to go on the wall. So if you have any questions, please make sure to drop them in the comments below. And all our links will be in the description down below to our website, as well as all our social media accounts. If you like the video, please like it. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out when we post another video. And as always, we thank you so much for your support and for visiting us here at Mind Paw Scents. We love you. See you on the next one. Bye.